Welcome to JK Gears and Machinery. JK Gears is ISO 9001-2008 registered certified company. Based in Mumbai, India, since 1994. If you are looking for any used imported machine, get in touch with us. In this video you will see gear shaver cutter grinder, which is available for sale. The machine details are: make, Michigan, model, T567L, type of machine, gear shaver cutter grinder, max gear 180 mm, max module, -8, Michigan shaver cutter grinder capacity, maximum grinding wheel 30-inch, maximum cutter diameter 12-inch,
Maximum face width of gear is 3-inch. No of index place for both machines is 55.
Thank you for watching our video. You can visit our website, www.jkgears.com.